from DoneRight Management. We are in TC Condo North, and we'll just do a quick video tutorial on the Fireplace. It's fairly straightforward, very easy to use. On-off right here, and then that's going to be the fan. At least I believe that's going to be the fan. Now, if it does happen to be off, underneath here, you're going to have the ability of going through and having it relight the pilot, just so that you're aware. If that needs to happen, you can relight it, go through the exercise. You've got the little button to push. Follow the simple instructions of how you typically do it. You basically have that there, so that's your high-low, and then it'll adjust the flame height. And the rest of the controls right through here. So if you have any questions while you're staying here at TC Condo North, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number's 208-634-0030.